mina kuhambe bakithi ngiyakwayo wabuta ngaphi la ngale emkakamo wole alright oh sibuye kuzothi sibuye it's like they said you must come to the fields. We are coming now. We are coming. Koya wasari kuteyo kitchen. Wese na mamoyo ne magondora tuwayo. Bibera mapeili. Vena mapeili chelit. Mapeili. Mamoyo nanga kutobatsirwa. Yeah, but anyway, parabasa for just to remove the ashes and then we make fire. That's all. So there's no job over there. They have to come to the fields. So let's go. Welcome to part 2 of the video. Our typical morning routine. Let's go to the fields. Let's work on our maize. Carrying the maize, bringing it home. Yeah. Mbamba lezi umqando ngadlula sesizidla. Sesiziyazi bonda. They are ready. They are ready already. Kamu ni squeeze. Saya bulan apa? Oh boy, ham, kena. Nah ngula. Ende mazolo ngkhona nyanyile. Yewe. Lamazolo anzima. Wena ukwazi inkomo zelo. Semali. Inkomo. Let me go get sunlight. But it's not yet hot though. I'll take later. Oh, yeah. I'll I'm Joanne. So you can cook. That's interesting. Me and sweet treats. Kwa mapela nkonanga. Kutoka kule. Lava kule 4. Aya kwana 4. I'm feeling hungry. That's a good guy. Feeling so hungry. Okay, so someone was asking, what is that you are eating? You call this magake? I don't know what to call them in English. Someone commented and said the English name, but now I forgot. So now I'm removing thorns I am so hungry. Someone is playing a music this early morning. Woke up. Mzani wako kele. Ne controla ya baba.
Kileta za ubulu.
Sela. Nankulapha. Na. Nakla. Tela wena. Le. Ngolami.
Namatu. Ngiyabona mama. Ngizimali abantu abami. Baba.
Wewe. Ana, bantu kuchona. Sorry. Waspray. Pata uyenzanga lo. Awenzanga lo.
Ya, khamba sofuna yedwa.
Akula mumbo ngayo.
Buyelani ngapha, buyelani butani nguphi ngapha futhi. Ngingami kuphela. Buyelani ngapha. Ngicwele. Hayi. Uyanceda la.
Nanko umunye emva kwakho. Nanko umunye. Ngithele ethula.
Hamba. Utani ngapha ngikwazikomeni. Ngizera ngapha ngikwazikomeni. Ndio umishia kitanda lako. So guys, she found this thing. We call it chidungu. What do you call it in your language if you see a double maize like this? So she said whatever she wanted. She said she wants a skirt they are sketch that here Salome is selling. So whatever the person asks, you have to do that for them. That's the culture. So when we were growing up, we used to get a lot of groundnuts like this, and we would go to our mother and say, we want this, we want that, and they would do that for us. But back then there was no, easy things to say, yeah, I want chakat, otoitirwa. That's simple, but now guys, I have a task. She said she wants a skate. I'm like, you have to tell your mother to buy, so I have to buy the skate. I saw a mouse somewhere. What do you think, guys? Saenda kukuita chidungu kwa muri. Guys, tikuda chidungu kwa muri, chidungu. What do you call this in Ndebele? I don't know. We want it from you guys. Tikuda chidungu kwa muri. Just that. So I have to keep it. I'll go and ask mom. I'm gonna go give to mom. I say I want a car. I want a car from mom. Dada kuno pranka gogo. Dauti gogo ndoda mota. Don't nditengere. Ando dara vaiti nyepiraka. Ndawa dzandu kuda mota gogo nasi nechidungu changu. Ndara ndoda mota. Dada na yani the same as. Gogo vaiti nyepiraka imutichita zvidungu musingatipi. Saka ndoda mota nasi. I want a car from mom. Our first is scotch cut. Now full. Hey, that's what niggas do good. You have to new cocoa like what is it? You want a car? I'll buy you. Don't worry. I'm a rich uncle.
Look at this.
Abaga basuke phi. Kona wafana. Abantu babe ngagcwalanga. Iyagcwala nalale nje.
Kuzolo phela. Kathi gcwele. Kathi gcwele kule stendi.
Look, see so. Yeah, we are up.
Vamos, Colin.
I think the news.
Apadino gratis, one more swallow. I know who Hi.
Money, Kelan. No, remember,
One tell up with a man.
We must be a little.
So yeah, guys, we continue. Show them the scotch card. How full it is. Come. Yeah, we are waiting, guys. Working. This is where we are. Look at that. This year we don't know what is called hunger. We don't have hunger this year. Very, very good in the fruits. Than last year it was bad, yo. You see all this maize. So we'll show you as we go home. We're almost done. Right over there. Then we go home. We're putting in Galani. Let's get a jazz. Let's get a jazz. One more. This is waste. There's nothing. I want to show you guys what we do when our scotch card is full. We do like this. My dad was doing here. I see that. This is what we do.
And then you just look for the bigger ones and then you make it stand like that. Then we can fill up again the scotch cut. Like that. Oh, come lelo kuphi.
Andipasi zonke la.
Oh.
Ngathi so. Ukhanyela le.
Ubhuti phela.
Samsuzima ukusikali. Abagula thi azidabi yakhe. Udlala thi.
Jam dazon.
Kulama ngithanda wanhla isenqoleni.
Hey, les man. Thina ke singelokhu. Ogweshengwe. Oh yeah.
Ana bayinesi. Abafuni ke.
Oh,
Ana bayinesi.
na Vanessa. Yes, akhuluma kwaTha.
Sasibuye eZimbabwe.
Bazabuya. Sahlanganisa.
Awungapheli uhlanga.
Guys, we are done here.
Bayalobe ukuthi siyahlangana abantu balobe.
Ngicela Joanna.
Going home now. Driving home. I asked for this jacket so that I can cover my head.
Uya wemgomo. Wena usonza phambili umgomo lapha. Wena kuzayo.
Nini kuyabamba yonke. Fake ngoleni kona. Ofuna child.
Ngizomthalela.
Umphathela ni pheze fresh.
Ubongo isipika.
Thalela.
Lele ngihamba kuna leli ngalobi phe. Ani kuyafuna ukufaka engalani ukugamela imfe.
Uthulule sazi uthulule. Amba bilathi, abathu. Mami akon. Bitana bilathi mina kapuna. Mami yale. Dumi.
Wawa.
Oh, hey.
Wawa. Mana Stop. Vele swazi ngolwana.
Wena wonke uzile wala wena.
Oh bongo. Istobile wena.
Ungavela ukuthi abayakwazi ukuthi utabekile wala. Mina thula la.
Makazana utapa nsani.
Ungavela ukhuzi yini. Utole kumgqomo kuno. Vuka awuvukele.
Ncengise ngalokho ungazi.
Uyazazi. Manje kuma ungasenze.
Nifaka njani leyo?
Lokho akulanda kakhulu. Hamba bijana. Ngakhulilo. Ngakhuluma manilo. Ndakwetisela.
Grandfather and his grandchildren. Fimbi emagadi. See you later, mozo ita moyo. Bye. At this juncture.
This is okra. Naifungira garden. Yebo kunjani? Hey, yapedza. Yeah.
Mtaka kada pesa wetu mbili ngola taziti ngamapo ilikuze. Mana. Ndio pambi. Umapo msonde pambi.
Tu sasa ndira pambi.
Mweti.
Azikhanyiwe.
Sabe akudele.
Oh. Kapheli phansi. Yebo. Oh.
제가 안겨는 중사. 중사 보면 잡아. 너무 제기를.
Msana akukhiphi ibhaji. Kuri ibhaji, akukuri
bangasebenzi.
Kuri ibhaji. Labana lapho usungena khona lapha.
Yena ngakhokhela kuphela.
Kuri ibhaji ngene phakathi.
Mali ngozi siniyongela.
One. Okay.
One.
Ala ngale lokungela.
Yaphuma ngapha yena wena kufana.
Mzali mana khona. Bongo ngena phakathi. Oh unomsebenzi. Hamba ngena phakathi. Ngena phakathi.
Omunye mela phakathi.
Ngena phakathi. Imgomo ingaba kunamgomo phela. Imgomo ngapha omunye.
Nanku yana omunye lapha. Khipha amadasana.
Omunye awimgomo. Wena dumsani.
Nanku.
Utelo uyaphambili.
Ngkhona beyifuna konke lapha into yade bengayife kena phela simnandi kona nami ngede ngazidli ave lo nyaka hayi
Manje kashe jarose.
hayi ndindaridla khona lino
bathe mamthole
Wawuna ukuthi yakabata phinda.
kulo muntu kunama-seeds 2 kg for buying
Igcwele.
kumele ngibuthe amaningi shayo. So guys, I'm selling some sweet treats.
And emnandi.
I just called them.
Lautora mina.
What are they? They're sweet treats.
No, lautora. No, lautora. Lautora.
Sibuya kuna bami.
Ngizaka umgomo phakathi. Ngale abantu bamili ngathi.
Ingoma mela ngiphuze. Uyedi boy.
Oh.
Yedi boy.
Ngoda nzima. Ya ngoda nzima. Ngoba abumnike nje. Kade kuliza.
Naye vamiranda mamboni moresa. Chanye mana zwitse. Yeni hamba. Hamba.
Ngike manje lethu.
Arazenza kubona mbemba. Oh, ade yobuza. Aswaisa zwatu kuya neziro. Yo vakanowatawo.
Avanatana kudhara.
Oh, vakatanga vakagara.
Kunta.
Bando. Wabuya. Oh. All right.
Vakangowa sanhasi makona vachitouya. Wafuti zuva ravira. Akatomuka vachitouya kuseri. Hey.
Chi. Oh, chibvisa katsvakira. Vada kuzobvika zita rei.
Navati wadhoba
Nice.
wadhoba kona kuyisela be.
Ngaikanisa ngajiki
Sometimes ungalinde ukuthi uyagcwala umgomo. Sohambisa nje. Ungalinde ukuthi ugcwale.
ngawufaka yabukalisela.
Wena uhamba.
Uthelele.
Uhamba ukuya.
Ukalisela muva ubuya nayo.
Usekhamba
phakathi. Mncane lo.
Hayi lapha sizawukwanisela ngoba nibasa pa kujima.
Ndivane basa. Kuphela ingagcwali.
Mela
Bongo nephinda
ingagcwali.
hayi kumabhongo sakawona.
Maborongondo.
Mabhongo sakumagophorongondo.
Maborongondo.
Ngoma uhamba.
Uhamele ukuthi ugcwale. Ayasini.
Dona lesudini.
Zedini umabhorongondo.
Basa
Sedlula untumsana umabhorongondo.
Omahleka akudwe.
Hambisa uphela.
Wesiqandayo obuyileyo kuvuke futhi kubaleka malume
ekuseni sebaphinqola mina uya ngaphi malume
akwazi ukuthi
Ngathi ukonjini.
Wona ngathi ubuya kwakhulu uhamba ungasebenzanga ngazikho ezulu. Wakhula kuthelakala kokwenza.
ngani buyile anje lani liyasincedisa abantu selisincedisa
Vela obabakho babekwazi ukuthi vele kokhulu ngale kuyasetshenziswa. So sozebebuza ukuthi kathi ngaliphuzile abasoze.
banjiwe khona
Hamba ubabona.
Ungagcwali.
vele lapha njengayona lumsenzo ulayitshelo uyabe kunanina bakithi mina ngiyehluleka bakithi Mami bamele babuye bazongilayithela mina kuhambe bakithi ngiyawa ebahlahleni la.
Gogo yawa.
Ukuthi ngihambe ngidile lapha emahlangeni lapha ngiyawa. SongeyakulaZulu bami babuye bazolayitha. Yakwazi ukuthi igroup encane ngakuyifulayitha kuphela bayalayitha. Ukulayitha kubuhlungu abantwana abancane.
Na fast. Jona kwabuya la. Oh.
Ajayelanga, ajayele town.
Yona mama yamtendeza.
Mabonoro kitchen.
Yasebenza fana ngoba kulongenza khonokho. Nguwe fana khona.
Yabe seduleke.
Mama kwa bese mntana ke khawula.
Yamazi phela udakwani.
Awukwenzekeni uzafunda.
Uzafunda ukuthi afunde phela.
Wena ungamzwezi ngawo.
Efunda njani?
Sekhulile phela.
Sekhulile. Bomwana.
Umsebenzi wonke uyawuzela ngumama.
Omwana umuntu oyindoda.
Bonoro kitchen bakithi.
Hey, kwa mzee khabwe.
Yamadenga kwanti kwathi. Next time abafile ngora futhi side. So mele ugamulisa. Mele ugamuli izigondo
ngophila ngayo. Usela lutho.
Enda ke sidla lapha edolobha. Tuso. We are done, guys. We are done. What a job well done. Today we are done. Ngavuna lo.
Apha sivukela khona kusasa.
Charbe kia.
Go. Chidungu.
Chidungu.
Chidungu. Mukati moda chi. Nditori ne 2 ibi mukataza kuti makapadhumisana nditori ne 2 ishi. Ibi chamakapa ini changu ichi. Ndikuda mota. Ndikuda mota. Maiti kambela manga tinovandiki. Ngani lali sikambela manga sibe lezidungu adzala lisitengele bicho. Sasikamba ndike.
Andila likambe kwayo.
Okakukho.
Kambutukula kawe.
Unumama engasiniki. Ungu, kithi manje isingu samazambane.
Usashadila kathi kuyikaphumkomso kwake.
Okwesilungu.
Nuka phakathi phuma.
Hamba lapha ngehla. Thank you. Guys, we are done. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye. Back to my cucumbers.